Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the maintenance of my 1-year-old terrarium. I created this in January 25 and now it's February 26. This was the setup last year and now look at the growth. For a year, I left it untouched, except for cleaning the glass occasionally. Since this terrarium is in a tall, narrow-neck jar, I'm using a few tools to reach inside easily. A long tweezer, a scissor, a tilted tweezer for a better angle, and some tissue paper. You can also use a clean cloth. First, I'm cleaning the glass, starting with the outer surface, and then the inner side using tissue and a tweezer. Once the glass is clear, the plants instantly look brighter, and it also helps them get better light for growth. As you can see, everything has grown beautifully. The plants have spread across the surface and terrarium looks much more mature now. But since it has been growing freely for a year, some areas have become overgrown. So today, for the first time in a year, I'm doing a little maintenance. I'm starting with Hydrocotyle tripartita. It's actually an aquatic plant, but it works really well in terrarium. Next is the Earth star, which spreads across the terrarium almost like wings. So I'm trimming it one by one. Fittonia has also grown a lot and covered most of the surface. So I'm gently trimming that too. Because this is a tall, narrow neck glass jar, it's actually one of the most difficult containers I have worked with. Reaching inside and trimming plants without disturbing the layout takes a little patience. So I'm doing everything very slowly and gently. Now I'm removing some dead and dried growth. The moss has also grown a lot and even started climbing on the glass. While trimming it with scissor, I realized that removing it completely might disturb the bigger plants. So instead of pulling it out, I'm gently pressing it down. This helps light reach the lower plants and keep the growth balanced inside the jar. The plants used in this terrarium are caladiums, mondograss, Fittonia, rabbit foot fern, Ficus pumila, Anubia, Hydrocotyle tripartita. All of them have adapted really well to this close environment over the past year. So in this terrarium, I had initially created a small waterfall, but over time the moss completely covered it. And now it's not even visible from the outside. So I'm removing that area a little. I actually like the plain pathway too. Let's imagine summer has arrived and the waterfall has dried up. Maybe it will appear again in the rainy season? Just a little fun imagination. Now I'm giving a very light spray of fertilizer. It will help in fresh growth. And I'm trimming the ficus pumila. Cutting the tips helps it grow multiple new branches and becomes fuller. And here is the terrarium 20 days later. You can see how beautifully everything has responded. The Ficus pumila is sending out lots of new shoots, just as I imagined. The Hydrocotyle tripartita has spread again, and the Earth star is returning to its original color. It's amazing how quickly terrarium plants bounce back after a little care. Terrariums are truly tiny ecosystems, and sometimes all they need is a little patience and very gentle maintenance. I hope you enjoyed watching this 1 year terrarium journey. Thank you for watching.